Hi, I'm Daniel Dameron, and I am the Sound of Humboldt. So why am I doing this? When I first came to Humboldt, I found myself being afraid of looking religious. And that's what I want to address today, is that this whole church movement and Jesus movement, and you might have seen a video called Why I Love Jesus But Hate the Church or something like that. There's this movement going on of the fear of looking religious, for being condemned or judged by the world. But I'm here to encourage you today that we are to be a beacon of hope in the darkest places, to be lifted up, that you don't put a lamp under a wash tub. Oh no. You don't let Satan it out. Oh no. We are to take what we have to people that need it. And you might be telling yourself, well, the world needs someone that makes them feel good about themselves. Well, the world has lots of people that will get drunk with them and party with them, but what we have is what they truly desire, and it's the healing that they need, the wounds that can be healed and mended, and you carry that healing. And so break off that fear of looking religious and be who you are in Jesus Christ, and don't compromise. Don't compromise for others, but be holy where you are. And don't be afraid to look religious, because in the end it will wear on them. It will turn them. The world is looking at you, and they're looking for something that they can't find anywhere else. So be the lighthouse of hope where you are in Humboldt County, and continue to be filled with righteousness, peace, and joy in His Holy Spirit. And it wears on people. Their defenses will come down, and they'll say, oh, I want what you have. What do you have that I don't have? Why are you so happy all the time? I want that. They'll be standing in line for what you want. And when they come, you say, this is the kingdom. Do you want in?